The Move Pro comes in a large cardboard box consisting of two parts sliding on top of each other. To unbox your Move Pro, prepare some space and lay the box down flat. Slide the top lid off. On the top foam insert, you will find the safety and setup guide and assembly instructions. Carefully slide the top foam insert off. Here you will find the Move stand with touchscreen and computer unit, Move wheelbase, screwdriver, tool bag, scanner holder, hex key, bolt, tray and power cable. To safely assemble the Move Pro, pull down the bottom box wall. Remove the base from the box. Align the designated hole in the base and the stand by lining up the pin. Using the provided bolt, join the two pieces together, first fastening manually, and then tightening with the hex key. Do not over-tighten. Now connect the power cable. When the base is attached and power cable connected, you can lift the main body of the Move Pro. Once the Move Pro is standing, you can screw on the scanner holder by removing the rubber lining and using the small screwdriver to tighten the two screws. And finally, attach the tray.